Hey dreammates, you are here because you see the same dreams I see. So that's why we are dreammates. Let's start this. You want success, right? But do you know what's the hardest part? It's not consistency. It's not strategy and not planning. It's the very first step. I have divided this video into 5 sections. Trust me, each section has its own value. And before going towards the first section, let me tell you that the first step is not same for everyone. There are two types of people. Those who take their first step out of pure excitement and motivation. They don't overthink, they just start. Even if they fail, they still win because they learn a lot. They gain experience and they know what not to do next time. Here comes the second type, for whom even the first step feels impossible, and every thought begins with what will people say? I'm not ready yet. It's not the right time. My camera is not professional. My microphone is not good. My setup is not perfect. And yet, while they keep excusing in the name of perfection, the time just keep passing. That's the real trap. Perfection. You keep waiting for everything to be perfect and end up doing nothing. Here's a quote from Zig Ziglar. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. Here's the truth, the reality check, that the first step is never perfect. It's uncomfortable, messy, uncertain, but it's the only way to start your journey. Remember one thing, failure doesn't exist. It's an illusion created by those people who give up too early. It's always win or learn. There is a quote I really love: try again, fail again. Try better, fail better. Let's look at some examples. Take J.K. Rowling as an example. She is the genius who wrote Harry Potter, the magical story, which made our childhood unforgettable. Yet, before the world knew her name, she got rejected by 12 publishers before her book was accepted. She just didn't give up, and today that failure became one of the most successful stories in the world. Elon didn't have perfect rockets. His first three launches failed very badly. He was almost broke, but he learned from those imperfect steps, and on the fourth try, he succeeded. That's how SpaceX was born, and a reminder to the world that NASA is not the only name written in the stars. So here's the rule number one: throw the word failure out of your life as if it never existed, because it doesn't define someone who is passionate to achieve success like you. Think about swimming. You can read books, watch tutorials, and even attend classes. But until you jump in the water, you will never learn how to swim. That's exactly how business, content creation, or any dream works. You have to jump into the ocean and face the whales already ruling it. Let me be real with you, and trust me, it wasn't easy. It took me more than 1 month to just record my first short reel. This video right here, this is my first step. Episode 1. I am not sharing it with my relatives, not with my friends, and even not with my old audience. No hashtags, no marketing tricks. Just a fresh account, a fresh mindset, and a fresh start. Because sometimes you need to hit reset. Sometimes you have to begin again. And today I'm doing it. This is my jump, my point zero. If you are an entrepreneur, a dreamer, or just someone who wants to build something this much bigger and huge that people around you cannot even understand, then you already know how it feels. Your first step will always be the hardest. But remember this: every startup, every empire, every world changing idea begin with one small step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You don't climb a mountain in a single jump. You hike it step by step, starting from the bottom. And success works exactly like that. So the next time your mind says, what if I fail? Flip the question and ask yourself, what if I never start? Because doing nothing is the real failure. Your first step is the door to everything you have ever wanted. So buckle up, my friend. This was my first step, and maybe today it can be yours too. And if you want to stay consistent and motivated, then subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me so you never miss any video that pushes you forward. I will talk about financial education, self development, and motivation, a step by step guide to achieve success. I don't want any of you to miss what my younger self never learned. I am building a track, the track which my younger self needed a lot. Goodbye, dreammates.